Precautions taken from wheat harvest to market. Hello friends, imagine that after months of hard work, the wheat harvest in your fields is shining in golden color. The crops of the field have been harvested and are seen swaying in the light breeze. The harvest time has come. After months of hard work and waiting, now the time has come to take that crop to the market and sell it. But is this journey so easy? Can any kind of mistake or carelessness during the harvest from harvest to the market make your hard work worthless? Yes, this is the truth. A small mistake made during harvesting and storage of wheat can ruin your entire crop. From injuries during harvesting to fires and rotting of grain, there are many hazards that must be avoided. If all these precautions are not followed properly, then not only the crop will be damaged, but also there may be danger to life and property. This is the reason why agricultural experts repeatedly advise farmers to take full precautions from harvest to storage. Today we will discuss this topic in depth. But before that, if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you will be the first to get our new video updates. So let's start today's discussion without any delay. First of all, at the time of harvesting wheat, farmers should make sure that the crop is fully ripe. Harvesting of unripe crops can affect the yield and the quality of grain can also deteriorate. It is very easy to identify the readiness of the crop. Take the grain of wheat in your hand and chew it. If the seeds are hard and break with a sound when chewed, then consider that the crop is fully ripe and can be harvested. If the grains are soft and rubbery when chewed, it means that the crop should be left in the field for a few more days. Maintaining the right moisture level during harvesting is also very important. If the crop is too dry, there will be a risk of grain falling, and if there is too much moisture, there will be a risk of rotting of the grain. It is also very important to use the right tools and caution while harvesting. The use of combine harvesters for wheat harvesting has become very common these days. But if the combine harvester is not used properly, then there is a risk of crop damage. Before using the harvester, it should be thoroughly checked. All its blades and systems should be thoroughly cleaned and repaired. At the time of harvesting, farmers should take care not to wear any type of loose clothing. Especially women's sari, pallu or dupatta should be wrapped well, so that the cloth does not get caught in the blade of the machine. Similar precautions should be taken during threshing. Also, during threshing, farmers should ensure that the threshing is done on level ground. Do not have sparks or flames of any kind near the thresher. If the tractor is being used for threshing, it is necessary to install a spark arrestor on its exhaust pipe. Smoking of any kind should be avoided during threshing. It is often seen that a small spark during threshing can set the entire crop on fire. Similarly, proper drying of the crop after threshing is also very important. If moisture remains in wheat, it will be difficult to store and the risk of wheat rotting or insects will increase. After harvesting, drying the crop in the barn is a very important process. Many farmers make the mistake of taking the crop to the market directly after harvesting, due to which moisture remains in the crop. If more than 10% moisture remains in wheat, then not only storage will be difficult, but also its price will be lower in the market. Therefore, after harvesting, the first thing to do is to dry it well. It is important to select a clean and flat place to dry the crop in the sun. Also, do not place the crop directly on the ground. First lay a tarpaulin or wooden plank on the ground and then dry the crop on it. This will maintain the quality of the crop. Also, never make the mistake of burning the residue left in the field after harvesting. It is often seen that after harvesting, farmers burn the crop residue left in the field and destroy it. This destroys the nutrients present in the soil. Burning reduces the fertility of the soil and also kills friendly insects. Apart from this, Sparks from the fire can also damage crops in nearby fields. This is the reason why the government has banned the burning of farm residues. Instead, farmers can incorporate crop residues into the soil with the help of a disc harrow or a rotavator. This will increase the amount of organic elements in the soil and its fertility will also increase. Apart from this, it is important to be careful while storing wheat. Clean the storehouse first instead of placing the crop directly on the ground. There should not be any kind of moisture in the storehouse because moisture can cause insects in the wheat. The walls and floor of the storehouse should be treated with malathion or other insecticides so that no insects of any kind enter it. Instead of keeping wheat directly on the floor, wooden boards or sacks should be used. The sacks should also be clean and dry. Dry neem leaves can also be kept around the sacks to protect the wheat, which will prevent insects and fungi. It is important to be careful while taking wheat to the market. It is often seen that farmers take the crops to the market without drying them properly. This reduces the price of wheat in the market. Before taking the crop to the market, check it thoroughly to ensure that there is no moisture in it. Make sure you get the harvest in front of you in the market and take the receipt. If there is any kind of error, immediately contact the concerned authority. Getting the wheat crop to the market in the right condition is also a challenge. During the rainy season, the crop should be covered with a plastic sheet. If it rains on the way, then the crop can be saved from getting wet. It is also important to be vigilant during the harvesting and selling of crops in the market. Many times the brokers do not give the correct price to the farmers. Therefore, it is very important to take the right price according to the quality of the crop. Farming is not just limited to growing crops. Only by proper care, harvesting, storage and proper delivery of the crop to the market can the farmer get the right result of his hard work. By working with correct technique and caution, not only the production will be better, but also the economic status of the farmer will be strengthened. One small mistake can waste a whole year's hard work. Therefore, it is necessary to be careful at every step, from wheat harvesting to market.
Like our content and want to make our efforts even stronger, you can support us through the QR code given in the video or the UPI ID given in the description. Your every small contribution is valuable to us and will inspire us to make even better and informative videos. Your support is our strength. Also, if this video taught you something new or you felt that this information should reach others as well, then do not forget to like and share the video. If you have any questions or suggestions in mind, then do let us know in the comments. We look forward to answering your every question and listening to suggestions. And yes, if you want to stay updated with our every new video in the future, then subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you get every new information first. GRT Business always strives to give you accurate and reliable information. Our news is obtained from various news agencies, public opinion, and public sources. We try our best to verify every report, but we are not responsible for any dispute or error. Our sole aim is to provide you with accurate and reliable information.